You're going to learn today that as an adult now of 18 years old.
I know, officer. It's literally.
Your actions have consequences. Okay. You're not in high school anymore.
No, I am not.
You're still in high school.
Yeah. Officer, passing me.
Okay. Do you have insurance on it? Okay, so it's unregistered, uninsured, stolen. No, get against the wall right now. 120 headquarters. What the hell the matter with you? Yeah, firm. Be advised, I'm out on Route 3, just from Ridge Road with a black motorcycle attempted to take off me, no reg. Now, put your hands behind your back right now. Route 3 west right now. Turn around. How old are you?
17, I just turned 18.
Where are you from?
Lyndhurst.
What's the matter with you?
I apologize, officer. It's just this type of situation never happened to me before.
Oh, so you never just ride around on a motorcycle with no registration or anything like that?
No, I literally just got the motorcycle, I'm telling you.
Where's your paperwork?
I have everything at the house. Please do not impound my bike, officer.
3 West. What's that?
Please do not impound my bike.
No, it's getting impounded. You don't have any paperwork for this. Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah.
You have a motorcycle endorsement on your driver's license?
I literally just got it, officer.
Do you have a motorcycle endorsement on your driver's license?
No.
It's getting impounded. You're getting tickets for uninsured. How old are you?
I just turned 18, literally.
You just turned 18? Okay. You may be under arrest as well. So you know Officer Sergeant Passamano? So you want me to call Sergeant Passamano right now and tell him that I attempted to stop you and you took off on it?
I know he'll get pissed, but this is like my first time and I was literally really nervous.
So the first time and nervous. So all you had to do, you live in town. All you had to do is stop. Officer, my paperwork is at my house.
I'm so sorry, officer.
Go ahead.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, affirmative, Sarge. 3 West, just from the Barrows exit, Rutherford.
I literally just got it, not even like 2 days ago.
Well,
this is the first time.
Well, you're not. Well, 10-4, thank you.
None of the officer passing man knows that I'm good at everything.
Well, obviously you're not. $120, you can send me a hook as well for the motorcycle. I have no paperwork on it. I don't even know if you can register this thing. Yeah, firm. Let me know when you're ready to copy thing. Hotel. It should come back to a Well, yes it was, and you're going to learn today that as an adult now of 18 years old.
I know, officer. It's literally.
Your actions have consequences. Okay, you're not in high school anymore.
No, I am not.
You're still in high school.
Yeah. Officer, passing me.
Okay. 120 to 100. You have your driver's license on you?
I know.
You have nothing on you?
I told you, officer, this is like my first time I've been here. I just got it 2 days ago.
Okay. Go ahead, go with it. No, he doesn't have a motorcycle. License, yeah, he said he has. Sarge, are you available right now? If you could, please. Yeah, affirmative. And 4. So who you bought it 2 days ago?
Yeah.
Who'd you buy it from? From Facebook Marketplace?
Yeah.
From where?
From the guy came and delivered it from New York.
Okay. Well, to top off your bad decisions that you made tonight, how much did you pay for it?
I paid $3,500.
Okay, well you just lost $3,500 because it's a stolen motorcycle. Yes.
I have the guy's paperwork. He gave me the paperwork and everything. He said it's legit. He gave me a title too. Coming back stolen. Is there any way I can get the money from this guy back?
That's on you to go to court.
Can I take this guy to court if I have to?
You can.
I think he worked so hard for that money. I think he busted my ass all 24/7.
No.
So right now you're in protection. But I have the
and failing to stop when I stopped you.
I really apologize. I think I got so nervous because I didn't know I think they had the appointment to the DMV to register and not for like.
Okay. Well, if you look at all of these cars that are driving past you, every single car that's driving past you has a license plate on it.
Right.
The fact that you had an appointment to go and register doesn't mean that it can be on the road. Do you have insurance on it? Okay, so it's unregistered, uninsured, stolen.
No,
and you decided that it was a good idea.
I did not know about.
Well, you didn't know it was stolen.
I have the bill of sale. And
I'll give you the benefit of doubt that you didn't know it was stolen. But
fuck, man, I just lost $2,000. So if I really want to, I can take the guy that sold me the motorcycle to court.
Yeah.
And then we can decide in court if you can pay me back the money.
That's civil court in Hackensack,
Okay.
Bergen County Superior Court.
Okay. All right. I feel like when the driving a little bit, I got tickets back and forth, but then Officer Passamano was talking to me. I've been good recently.
what's your name?
Rozario, R-O-Z-A-R-I-O.
Your first name or last name?
First name.
What is it?
R-O-Z-A-R-I-O. Yeah, Rozario.
What's your last name, Rozario?
Y-M-E-R-A-J.
Do you have a middle initial? No?
No.
What's your birthday, Rozario?
You were there not too long ago.
You know your social?
No.
You're 18 years old, you don't know your social?
I don't remember. Just tell me too. I don't remember.
When did you turn 18? You're not starting off being an adult, making very good decisions.
This was like my calm down, like I would never do anything like this, and I'm not gonna have no time because I lost the money that I literally spent on this bike busting my ass 24/7.
Obviously, you should have figured out on Ridge Road
when I pulled up next to you, with lights and sirens, then you should have stopped instead of trying to turn around.
I literally got...
Obviously, you weren't getting away from me.
I apologize. I literally got so nervous because my registration, that's it. I literally got so nervous. I did not know what to do.
But you would have said, hey, I have paperwork at my house. I just rode. That was like the other day. I just got it. It was nice out. I was taking it around the block. That's understandable. I was 18 years old once too. Once you put yourself at risk, other motorists at risk.
I'm really sorry.
I got a little bit more experience and skill out of
like I said, I literally got so nervous. I'm sorry. It's
not even in the hospital as of right now. There's other issues.
Okay, cool.
Why? Did you see me? There was another officer when I left the house that came right in front of my house. I don't know which one it was.
Not this time.
It wasn't on the motorcycle for me. So we don't even know if it was. Because it wasn't in that car. Alright, I'll take it. Stand up, I'm going to search you again. Turn around, face away. You have anything on you?
Then my phone, no shot.
Just take it. Yep, I'm going to put everything in it.
Yeah. And then the other part. Oh, I don't have anything, officer.
I don't know. Just because you say it doesn't mean I don't know it's true.
No, I totally understand.
Here's the key to the motorcycle.
Right there, on my those are my keys to my house and
Okay. We're gonna walk back to the passenger side of the back cop car.
my wallet and everything's in there, my phone?
Well, I don't have your wallet, just your...
Oh, where's my wallet?
You guys have a wallet? Nope.
It must have fell. It's alright.
Well, that's what happens when you run, I guess, huh?
Like I said, I really got so nervous. It was like by accident.
It doesn't excuse it.
No, I know it's not it.
Yeah, I'll get everything rolling. Walk past the door. Right where it says emergency 911, you're going to press yourself up against it.
What kind of process, officer?
You're under arrest.
Under arrest?
Yep.
Or?
Stolen motorcycle.
I did not know. I have the paper.
Doesn't matter, you still have it.
Alright.
That's what court's for.
Am I going to jail?
No. Take a seat.
Can I call my dad, please?
You'll get a phone call in a little while. We have paperwork we're going to do first.
Check out. Check out. 87 is going to transport this now and under. As of now, we have receiving stolen property and eluding. Ten 4, 1310.
$87.
87.
You'll be transporting one adult male under from Route 3 westbound to police headquarters. Starting mileage 68098. Body worn camera activated.
1311. M1 will follow you in. I'll wait here for Nick.
Received. '87 to M1. Where do you want to make the turnaround?
Whatever's easier. I'm with you.
Alright, we'll take 21 back in over to Nutley Bridge instead of going all the way up into Clifton.
M4.
87 out in the rear. 68102. Sally up, please.
$13.17.
Transfer complete. Deactivating body worn camera.